How to add contact widget on home screen, iOS 17. So the very first thing you want to do is long press the home screen and then click on this plus icon at the top left corner. It will open up a widget bar. In here, scroll down and search for the contact widget. If you can't find it here, then once again scroll down and the contact application will be available to you. Simply click on it. It will open up the widget for your application contact. Well, the widget is an easy access to check the status of the people you care about most. You can swipe left and see more theme for your widget. But let's say I want to add this widget on my home screen. All you want to do is click on Add Widget at the very bottom. Well, now you can place this widget anywhere on your home screen. And once you've adjusted, click on Done at the top right corner and you'll be good to go. Likewise, you can add the widget for any of the application you want to. So that's all for today, and this was a tutorial on how to add contact widget on home screen iOS 17. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.